Welcome to the Smart Production Counting System from Robato Systems. Button, sensor, PLC and mobile-based counting all on one intelligent platform for real-time production visibility. Record every completed product with a single button press. Production counts update instantly on the display board, delivering real-time shop floor visibility. Automate production counting with advanced sensor-based detection. As products move through the line, sensors automatically count each item in real time with high accuracy. PLC integration delivers automatic production, counting directly from your machines. Track every cycle in real time with accurate and reliable data. Manage production directly from mobile and tablet devices. Record good and reject counts instantly with real-time production visibility. Turn production data into actionable insights with dashboards, reports, and analytics. Monitor performance and efficiency in real time. Transform your factory with the Smart Production Counting System from Robato Systems. Button, sensor, PLC, and mobile-based counting all connected on one intelligent platform for complete production, visibility, and control.